attacks.
Fourth quarter na, fourth quarter. Babae, finals. Purok 2 versus Purok 6.
Now wala po na 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17, takes it off. No. Rebound number 11. Pass number 85. Number 85, pass number 12. Number 12, number 12. Lays it off. Pass number 12, number 12. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng Purok 2. Pass number 21. Number 21. Out of bounds, all of the first 2 minutes. Pass number 2 to Cartal. Puts it up. Pass to the score for number 3.
Pigilan.
Patawag sa mga kalamangan. Number 11, pass to number 12. Number 12, number 12.
Di matilis.
Out of bounds, pass to number 12. Number 2, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Foul. Number 23, nice to number 3. Number 12, 8 seconds to shoot. Pinasa number 5 seconds to shoot. Out.
Lumabas na si Angel.
Pass number 13, Balapag. Balapag has the ball. Moves it to the dalawa. 15 seconds to shoot. Puts it up. No. Number 12, offensive rebound. Pinasa number 13. Flicks. Attacks. Puts it up. Now number 85. Pass number 12. Number 12 lays it up. Pass number 12.
Kinikisig.
Official score 26-29. Number 21 tries it away. No. Para pass number 28. Number 28. Out of bounds.
Kaya naglabas. Oras ang sayang.
Pass number 21. Number 21.
Foul.
Pass number 28. Pass. No. Number 13. Puts it up. Foul. Foul number 7. First round. No good. Remaining time 6 minutes and 48 seconds.
36-29, pitong lamang ng dos.
Second row. Wala. Rebound number 85. Number 85. Looking for speeds. Number 85. Pinasay number 7. Pinasay number 12. Number 12 attacks. Puts it up. Basket. Pass number 13. Number 13 Balatar. Stop and pop. In and out.
Balas.
Walang bola na. Wala number 85. Nagagawa ng bola. Jump ball.
Bulok, bulok.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12 attacks. Pass number 13 Balatar. Balatar drives. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13 puts it up. Wala. Who's got the ball? Nakuha ni number 13. Pass number 12. Number 12. Drives number 12. Puts it up. No. Who's got the ball? Nakuha ni number 19. Binigay ni number 12. Number 12 tries again. Wala ulit. Out of bounds. Wala.
11 lamang.
Number 13 has the ball. Number 13 pass.
Gusto pala yung 3 points. Ball counted pa.
Yes.
8 ang lamang. 30-22.
Ball shot. Wala. Offensively only number 21. Number 21 puts it out.
Kilawa pa man.
Foul.
38 lang pala. 38-32. 6 lang ang lamang. Kayang-kaya pa. 5 minuto pa. 5 minutes, 8 seconds.
Second row. Wala. Number 21 ulit. Number 21 puts it up. Wala ulit. Number 21 ulit. Pass the rebound. Pass number 20. Wala. Who's got the ball? Rainbow. Pass number 2, puts it up, basket! Kabala sa apat ang kalamangan ng Group Dos.
1-0 na yata, nanalo na game 2 na to, nanalo na ang group size yata ng game 1.
Nahawal na ng 14. Push back ang goal, nahawal na ng 19. Pass number 12. Number 12, puts it up, wala. Number 19, wala kasi wala. Number 12 again, wala naman. Nahawal na ng 21. Nasa na ko ng number 18. Number 18, lays it up, wala.
Kinisig na, kinisig. Kinisig na sa tako na yun. Basket. Kinisig na, kinisig. Binuhat na. Hindi nakakita. Binuhat. Binuhat ni Marimar.
Number 3, Pagkakal. Pinasay number 17. Stay number 85. Nag-agawa ng bola. Pinasay number 19. Pinasay number 28. Play number 2. Kansas to shoot. Number 28. Guys, move. Number 12. Number 12. Pinagawa na sa number 12. Number 12. Foul. Number 12, wala. Nahawal na number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. Nahawal na number 3. Number 3. Number 3 has the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3 using the screen. Fires a three. Pinasay number 13. Number 14. Eto na si number 12. 20 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 12, fires a three. No. Rebound ni number 14. Number 13, foul. Number 13, pass number 21. Number 21. Pinasay number 19. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 19, pass number 28. Pass number 13. Puts it up. Wala. Number 21, wala. Pass number 9. Wala. Rebound ni number 7. Pass number 12. Last 2 minutes. Number 85. Wala. Number 85 ulit. Nahawal ni number 7. Pinigil ni number 12. Wala. Number 7. Basket. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Still number 14. Number 14 wala. Number 85 wala. Pass yung rebound. Pass number 12. Number 12 attacks. Lays it up. Basket. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Game 3 na pala ito. Game 3 na.
24-34. 5 points lead. 1 minute
Sino pala
21.
panalo champion na?
Second number 19, pass number 3. Number 2. Attacks. Napikawan ng bola. Number 19. Number 19. Correct is number 19. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 12. Number 12 attacks. Lose that ball. Ball number 28. Basket is good. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. 7-2. No. 9-14. Wala. Naraman na 25. Pass number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Pass number 20. Puts it up. No. And number 21. 55 seconds remaining time. Number 21. Pass number 13. Number 13. Lays it up. Basket is good. 45 seconds.
Sam. Sayang, kung depensa, huli.
Number 12, 15 seconds on the shot clock.
tumigil siya.
Bawal bukal. Panay. Bawal ang Philippines, 15 seconds.
Wala na.
Pass ang Philippines, stop and pass.
Pagod na.
8 seconds. Kulang 8 seconds.
Champion na ang Puritdos. Sports game. 45-36 final score.
All of the